Hey there YouTube, welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In today's video, we're not doing a detailing video. I'll be showing you how to replace your hood struts and your tailgate struts. This is pretty much universal for any make and model. The vehicle we're going to be doing on today is a 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's do it. Okay, so on this vehicle in particular, there's only one hood strut. Now most vehicles, and I don't know why, I guess this hood's light. Me and my wife had the hood off when we took the engine out, put it in. It's pretty light. Maybe that's why they only use one. Most vehicles have two. You have one here and you have one over there. These things are very easy to take off. I got a piece of wood holding the hood up, and I have my wife standing by just in case, because it can fall. All you need is a flathead screwdriver on this style that doesn't have a bolt in it. All you need is a flathead screwdriver, and there's a little clip right here. Sometimes it flies off, but if you just pull it out, the clip, there's one end. You're gonna get the other end the exact same way. And then there's the other end. Let me show you up close. See that clip right there? You just put your screwdriver underneath of it, and you just pull that clip up, just like that, and that pops it out. Let me show you the clip from this angle right here. The ball sits in here, right in there. Hopefully I can show, I'm showing you that good. The ball goes in there and that wraps around the ball so it doesn't come out. So then when you pull this up, it pulls those away and you can pull it off. So this hood strut is bad. It's going in the trash. And the new one goes on just as easy as the old one came off. Very, very simple. It's exactly the same thing. We got these off of rockauto.com. Exactly the same on both ends. So what you want to do, the cylinder, this is the cylinder, it goes up. You're just going to push it on, maybe. Like that. The bottom, sometimes you have to twist to make fit. Let that hood, or grab that piece of wood and hold the hood. Okay. Right there, it's on. Now, the hood should stay up on its own. It does. It should go down easy. And we're gonna open it again. And it opens on its own too. So now we'll move on to the rear liftgate struts. Okay, so here in the back we have two hood struts, or actually tailgate struts. Liftgate, whatever. And here's the second. Now what I did here is, these are weak and it doesn't want to stay up on its own. So if you have vice grips, you can just put vice grips on one and you just want to put the vice grip, pull the liftgate all the way up as far as it'll go, and then put the vice grips right underneath of it so it can't come back down. That'll hold it up for you. So when you're doing this side, you don't have to have somebody holding it. And on the hood, you can do the same thing. This car just didn't have two on the hood, so that's why I didn't have to worry about it. These liftgate struts on these Jeeps are actually any Chrysler product. On the back are a little bit different than the fronts, because the fronts have that little clip I showed you. These have Torx. Let me turn the screen around, make sure I'm getting in there. These have Torx bolts. They come with new ones. So you just gotta get the old ones out. And they are T40 Torx sockets. So we're gonna go ahead and take this out. It may drop down just a little bit, because once you remove one of these, this is a very heavy liftgate. Once you remove one, it's kind of hard to for that one over there to hold it up. So hopefully my vice grips will hold. Otherwise you're gonna see this thing fall on my head. You just gotta be really careful when you put these back in. And I only say that because I speak from experience. I got in a rush one time at my job from a mechanic, putting some of these in. I was in a rush, it was right before lunch. And I think it was the top one. I went to put them in and I didn't have the bolt in straight because the liftgate wasn't where it needed to be, and I put it in sideways. Yeah, I'll admit to my errors. I was able to get it out, rethread it, and put the new one in. That's why I say I just speak from experience. Just be careful. Let's just hope I don't do that today. Okay, I can actually feel the hood starting to come, or the liftgate starting to come down. So I'm gonna have to hold this up. Actually, that may be already out. Nope. I have to hold this up. It's kind of hard to do by yourself, but it's doable. Okay, see, Now this whole right side, this is the passenger side. It's actually kind of, you won't see it on the camera, I don't think. But it's kind of twisted or tilting this way because this is off. But this is something you can do rather easily. Okay, so there we go. This one's off. So now we're gonna put the new one on first. We're not gonna take them both off. We're gonna do one side at a time, obviously. And these don't look right. Oh, I just gotta twist it. These are actually threaded on, these bottoms, so you can't really twist it. Let's just see. Let me put the top in first. Next door, they're having a birthday party, so that's what you're hearing. See, that one's in. Now, this one is not even close. Let's see, right there, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to lift this hood up. I'm gonna have to lift it up. Yes. And try to do this with one hand, which isn't that hard. You got to get it in straight though. Push this corner up. It still doesn't want to go in. Maybe we better do the bottom one first. Here I am telling you guys how easy this is, and look, it's gonna fight me. Let's try putting the bottom one in first and see what happens. Okay, we're gonna have to pull this down. Man, I'm not even strong enough to pull that down. Thing's stout. My goodness. Okay. We're gonna have to come up with a different game plan or something. This just shows you I'm a mechanic, but things still fight me. I do this stuff daily. I don't know what's going on here. I don't know why this thing won't go down. Wheel. Just gotta really push that tailgate up to get it started. There, it's going in. Jeez. Now you don't want to go all He-Man on it. You just want to tie it enough it's not gonna come loose. Hang on, hey. Okay, so this side is done. I'm not gonna show you doing the other side, but this side is now done. It's installed. What you want to do is you want to take your vice grips off this side. I'm gonna put it over here on this side, and the reason why is because you don't want to ruin this brand new strut by allowing all the weight of the car this door to be on this strut. So go ahead and put your vice grips there until you get the other side done, and you should be good to go. There you go. It's that easy. It's very easy to do these. I don't see a reason to take your car to a mechanic, and don't get me wrong. I mean, I live off this stuff. This is what I do for a living. I'm a mechanic. I get paid to do stuff like this or mechanical work. Very small jobs like this even, you know, pays a half an hour labor. You know, that's what, $32.50 at my shop at least. You know, it could be $80 an hour, so it's $40 just to put some hood struts on. It takes about 10 minutes to do front and rear. Basic tools are needed, a flathead screwdriver for the front one, and that's typical on front and rear. But on this Chrysler product, they put Torx on the back. So if you need a Torx socket, it's a T40, and you can go to any of your auto parts stores and get a T40 socket, just a single socket, probably for about $4 or $5. That's still a lot cheaper than paying a labor, you know, at a mechanic shop, at an auto shop to get that done. And it's very easy to do, and it's something that you really appreciate once it's done, because anybody that's ever used to, like especially me, because I work on cars, I get so used to opening the hood and I see it's got shocks, I let go, and next thing I know I'm under here. Then the hood's on me. I hate that. It bugs me, and sometimes it hurts. Sometimes I've been hitting the temple, been hit right at the top of the head. It doesn't feel too good, those heads, because some hoods are very, very heavy. But anyways, I'm kind of rambling. It's something you can do basic. It's easy. I don't think there's any reason to take it to a shop. It's something that if you're searching for this video, it's something you're looking at doing. Don't be afraid to do it. It's very, very simple. If stuff doesn't start going together the way you want it to, like I was kind of fighting in the back, don't get frustrated. Kind of, you know, I was moving the hatch up and down, trying to get it to square up so I can get the bolts in. Both of them are in now. Just it doesn't take very long. You just got to be very, very patient as you do those. And these up here just snap on, snap off, easy. So if this video is helpful to you, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Hit that little bell so every time I upload a video, you get notified. And we will see you next time.